your right to privacy absolute, like a total unbreakable shield? All right, today we're jumping into a huge case from back in 2001, a case that really put one of our most personal rights, privacy, on trial. It asks a question that's maybe even more important today than it was back then. We're talking about the case of Alika Kosla. So let's start with the big question, the one that's at the very heart of this whole thing. Think about it. Is your right to privacy absolute, like a total unbreakable shield? Or can it be challenged when the truth is on the line in a court of law? This is exactly what the Delhi High Court had to figure out. Now, before we get tangled up in all the legal jargon, it's super important to remember how this all started. This wasn't some abstract debate in a law school classroom. Nope. It began with a real story, a human story, a marriage that was falling apart. Okay, so let's meet our key players. We have Alika Kosla and her husband, Thomas Matthew. By 2001, they are locked in this really nasty divorce. And what are the grounds? Well, they're both pointing fingers, both accusing the other of adultery. It was shaping up to be a classic, messy, he said, she said situation. Then it took a turn nobody saw coming. And this is where things get, well, pretty wild. The husband, Thomas Matthew, makes this absolutely shocking claim. He alleges his wife had gotten pregnant by another man. Now, this pregnancy, it was a tubular one, had been terminated, but he claimed that the fetal tissue was still preserved at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, AIMS. And he was convinced that a DNA test on that tissue would be the smoking gun to prove he wasn't the father.